I'm Jeevan Prakash Sharma, Senior Assistant Editor with Outlook Magazine. Today we'll talk about the Jet story. Jet was a premier aviation company, but today it is in a financial mess. The company doesn't have money to pay its debt of over 10,000 crore which it had borrowed from a consortium of banks led by State Bank of India. It needed money to meet its operational losses, but banks were not ready to pay any money. So instead of paying any money to the company, banks decided to take the control of the management and they decided to run the company. But since they did not invest any money, it had to ground all its aircraft. Now, if we compare the two situations, one that happened in 2012 with Kingfisher Airlines, Kingfisher was also in a similar situation. It didn't have money to pay its debts, salaries to employees, etc. Now, instead of going and taking the control over the management, the banks decided to get the insolvency proceedings initiated against the company. Now, if we compare the two situations, it looks that banks are very soft in case of Jet, because here they haven't gone to the insolvency proceedings initiated. So this shows that they are soft with Jet. But here one thing we have to keep in mind, that last year November, SBI said that they are going to get some forensic audit done. Now we don't know the report of the forensic audit. Once the report will come, it will establish whether some criminality has taken place or not, and then bank might decide to go for some criminal prosecution or something like that. Now, meanwhile, what has happened that airfare has gone up many folds, like 500-600% increase in airfare. That's because Jet had 119 planes, and all planes are out of operations now. So something like 650 trips missed every day. So that has led to the increase in airfare. Now the important question is, what will happen to the Jet? Will Jet make a comeback or make a turnaround? I think it's very difficult for Jet now, because the longer it stays out of operation, the more difficult the company will face in making a comeback. Thank you.